Y'all want to see what a fat girl's refrigerator looks like? Yeah, I said Fridgearator, Steve. I did not say refrigerator or icebox. Kitty, don't go outside. Well, there's somebody putting stuff in the thing. Well, there's some carrots and stuff there. Oh, look at that. I don't know if y'all use this here stuff. This Woolies horse riders. This is some good stuff. And this is the only brand, the Lecum Tea oyster sauce. I saw the show on that, and they take that mess and squeeze them oysters out. And this oyster extract. This here's the freezer. Now, there's my coffee. Them scallops is on sale. Them things cooked down to nothing. Some of that grass-fed beef. My ice cream. Now look at our sign. I ain't gonna kid you. You can't make a mess of vittles out of that refrigerator right there. Something's wrong with you.